return Henry's how-tos. I'm going to show you how to make a chorizo spaghetti bolognese. Let's get straight into it. Okay guys, so a good Italian bolognese is always made from a mix of beef and pork mince. So in my case here, what I've got is chorizo mince. Now I've got my butcher to make this for me. It's a 50-50 pork to beef ratio, and it's mixed with chorizo spices. So we've got garlic, paprika, and so on. But the most important thing is, look how nice and fatty it is. All this white stuff is the fat. Now the fat is where all that flavor comes from, and we need it. So this is going to make a very nice, rich, flavorful bolognese. Now most Italian butchers will be able to do this for you. If not, you can actually get chorizo sausages, just take the casings off. It will work as well. So let's about put that to the side for now. Alright guys, so we'll bring across one brown onion. We're just going to slice that through the middle. And what we want to do with our onion is finely dice it. Okay, just like so. So you want to get it as fine as possible. Okay guys, so firstly I've got a pot here with some water going up to the boil. We'll need this for our spaghetti. So guys, next into a large frying pan on a medium to high heat, we're going to add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Once our oil heats up, we'll add in our onions. And I'm also going to add in our chorizo mince at the same time. So guys, the reason I'm adding it at the same time is we've got a decent amount of fat in this mince. We want to render that out and get all that flavor out. And our onions will also absorb that. So we just want to cook these together until it's nice and brown. So in my case, I've just got 500 grams here. Okay guys, so once your mince has browned nicely like that, we'll start seasoning. So I'm going to start by adding in about half a tablespoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper. And just mix those together. And you can already see all this oil down here. That's all from our chorizo. That's all full of flavor. Okay guys, at this stage I'm going to add in 4 crushed garlic cloves. I'm also going to add in about 4 heaped tablespoons of tomato paste. Let's mix that all together. And we just want to fry that tomato paste as well to get all its flavor out. Okay, that's looking pretty good. So at this point I'm going to add in an 800 gram can of finely chopped tomatoes. And at this point we're going to lower our heat to low to medium. So guys, all we're going to do is let this simmer for about 10 minutes on a low to medium heat and let all those flavors come to life. Okay guys, now at this stage what we're going to do is add some salt to our water, just a couple of tablespoons, and once it's boiling we'll add in 500 grams of spaghetti, which is pretty much just 1 pack. Now that'll roughly take anywhere between 7 to 9 minutes to cook, depending on the brand. So once that's cooked, our bolognese sauce will be ready and we put it all together. Alright guys, I'm at the 9-minute mark now. And look at that, our spaghetti is nice and cooked. You don't want it to be overcooked, so just have a little taste. It should still have a bit of tenderness to it. So guys, what we're going to do is turn the heat off and drain that. And just look at our bolognese sauce. Nice, thick and rich. It's absolutely amazing. So let's go ahead and put this together. Alright guys, so we'll start by plating our spaghetti on our plate or bowl, whatever you want to do. Keep it nice in the center like that. So this recipe should feed roughly around 4 people, so it's a perfect family recipe. And next what we'll do is spoon our bolognese sauce straight on top. Just like so. And of course we'll finish this up with some parmesan cheese. Now it's common to use parsley to garnish, but I'm going to go ahead and use basil. Because the flavour of basil with tomatoes is absolutely amazing. Just look at how stunning that looks. Hey guys, now's my take on a chorizo bolognese. You saw how easy that is to make. and it's far more exciting than a traditional beef bolognese. Now guys, those of you that are close to me on Instagram and Facebook know I'm on a keto diet right now. Pasta is a big no-no, but you know what, I do not care, because it looks too good. But to be fair, I'll only have a little bit. Oh, you know, I really wish I wasn't on a diet, but that is truly amazing. As always guys, please make sure to like, share, subscribe and turn on your post notifications. You can also follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. I'll see you all next time.